In the winter of 1911, Wilson, Bowers and Garrard struggled on through the Antarctic winter darkness on their ambitious journey to collect emperor penguin eggs. The conditions were terrible, but nobody wanted to turn back. Frostbite was a big risk in the extreme cold. Frequent stops were needed to restore blood circulation. When their feet froze, they had to put up the tent. This took a long time because they had to handle the ropes with thick gloves on. Breath froze into sheets of ice on their faces. Sweat froze in their woolen clothes and in their sleeping bags. Garrard couldn't see clearly because his breath froze instantly on his glasses. The snow became deep and soft. Every step sank into the snow, and it was difficult to pull the sledges. They had to pull one sledge forward, then follow their tracks back by candlelight to get the other sledge. In this way, each kilometre forward needed 3 kilometres of travel. Often, 8 hours of pulling only resulted in 2 or 3 kilometres progress. 9 hours a day were spent putting up and taking down the tent, trying to light the cooker, eating and drinking, trying to get into frozen sleeping bags. There were 7 mostly sleepless hours, shivering in their sleeping bags. The temperature fluctuated between minus 40 degrees Celsius and minus 61 degrees Celsius. Sometimes there were blizzards, with strong winds and blown snow reducing visibility to nothing. In a blizzard, the temperature rose dramatically. The ice melted in their clothes and sleeping bags, making them very wet. They had to stay in the tent, sometimes for days until the blizzard stopped. When their clothes and sleeping bags froze again, they became stiff like wooden boards. At last, the snow conditions improved. Now they could pull both sledges together again. After many days of fog and total darkness, the moon appeared suddenly. There was a huge crevasse only 3 steps ahead. In part 4, we'll find out what happened next.